Hey guys, welcome back to another shopping vlog. This time we are checking out LOEWE. This is a girls' day out to celebrate my friend Shireen's birthday, and boy did we have a lot of fun, and we definitely shopped. Okay, let's see what's in LOEWE. So this is the Pebble bucket bag. This is cool with this. I understand why it's called the Pebble, with the anagram logo there in like an azure blue. Of course, the cute little puzzle bag. Got the Pebble bucket bag in a larger size. I think this is the flamenco, not 100% sure, with the Rolo chain. Some of the shoes. This color's nice, this sort of dove grey color. This puzzle style all jazzed up with the Rolo chain. I hope it's called the Rolo chain anyway. And this is new, I don't know what, not new as in like this has got like little cloud design and then whip stitch on the handle. And this is very different. Look at this gold bag. Wow, the leather's actually looks like feathers in the silver as well. Oh my gosh, the application's super interesting, guys. So this is the flamenco again in the medium, but the leather's different. This is like a really much more tougher pebbled leather, but still soft compared to their normal smooth buttery lambskin leather. Oh my goodness, look at these charms, they're adorable. Okay, there's an owl, you got the koala, you got a little doggy. I don't know if that's a Shiba Inu or not. Look at this, you got is this supposed to be an echidna? And an elephant, and then another elephant, little panda. Oh my goodness. So next up we have the puzzle bag, but this one has a special embroidered strap. This was part of the LOEWE Times Suna Fujita collection. I love that LOEWE collaborates with different creatives. This is a Kyoto-based ceramic designer, and in this collaboration that they did, I think it was released December or January, it features like whales, squids, bunnies, so very whimsical and cute. Next, let's check out LOEWE Ready to Wear. I'm a huge fan. I've bought quite a few pieces these last couple of years. These leather jackets are gorgeous. And then here is just a plain trench, don't love that. Here are some more of the summery styles. Sometimes they have some quite quirky pieces, like this Holy Wood t-shirt. Some pieces are quite plain, but I feel like the cut is really good. But my friend Shireen wants to try on some of their jeans. Here is some of their jewelry, which doesn't get featured that much. I'm not sure I'm loving them, but I do appreciate that they're very different. Two other bags which are really popular are the mini hammock, which is this white one here. That's around 3,100 AUD, and also the puzzle fold tote. What's really cool about this tote is that you can completely collapse it, so it's great for travel. It also comes in a medium, large and extra large as well. The LOEWE team was so sweet. They've even organised champagne for all the girls. So cheers to Shireen as it was her birthday. Here are some of their sunglasses, some very extra ones and some just the classic cat eye shape. I love this tortoiseshell one with the LOEWE anagram logo on the side. They also had some classic black cat eye ones which were nice as well. Oh my gosh, and what is Mel attracted to? Of course, emerald green. Check out this larger puzzle bag in green. It was in extra soft leather, so it was quite slouchy. I have to admit it was pretty heavy. This is from the men's section, so here is the black, and also they had the Pebble bucket bag in the bigger size, the messenger bags as well. So of course showing you a little bit of the men's range. This Kermit green bucket bag also caught my eye. So this is the green belt bag, very different. And these are the barrel jeans that my friend wanted to try on, so I thought might as well give them a go. This is in size 38. And then this is the size 36, which I think fits a lot better. I'm also wearing a cute LOEWE tee. LOEWE denim just really surprises me. I do like the sort of balloon silhouette. What do you guys think? I'm not sure, but I was really surprised by the fit and how much I liked it. And then I found this dark green shirt. Of course, I was attracted to the color. On the pocket, they just have the anagram logo, but I thought that hubby might like this shirt and then I could steal it and wear it oversized like this. Very, very cute. So definitely wanted to show my girlfriends this. Okay, Yvonne's trying on. It's a men's shirt, but it's really cool when you kind of like wear it oversized.
It's a bit big.
It's a bit big.
I think it's a very cool color.
Look at her outfit, it's so cute. So this is a style I haven't seen before. It's the LOEWE camera bag. Is it mini camera? And I like it with the anagram, and then also comes with like a crossbody strap. It's quite a good price point too, right?
Yeah.
I think 1,850 is a great price point. It's hard to find a good designer bag under that price point. Love the leather, and I also like that you can carry it by the top handle. Plus you've got the two zippered pockets, so I like that it's compartmentalized. I'm really loving this jacket. It's so cute. I also really like little details, like along the zipper puller, it had that crisscross checked of leather, of course the pockets, and that it also had the drawstring so you can ruche it up, but it was pretty expensive at nearly 4,000 AUD. Okay, so for the birthday girl Shireen, this is the emerald green shirt. Let's do it this way because we're against the sun. Yeah, then you can see it. Sorry guys, something went wrong with the audio, but what I was saying is, of course, if I like something, I always love to share it with my girlfriends. Shireen also really liked the belt bag, which I showed you before. I just think it's a really good size belt bag, and she is a huge fan of belt bags. So she's just wearing it upside down, so just turning it back round. But what she loves about it is how roomy it is. It can fit all her needs, especially like a drink bottle, her makeup bag and necessities. So the other one that she was considering was this one, but what she was saying to me was that she likes the strap more than the bag because the bag is quite plain. And I said to her, best to keep looking because it's not enough just to love the strap. Okay, confession guys, I know this jacket is so expensive, but I just really loved it. I just think it's so versatile. So I'm really thinking about this one. Look at this cute little mini puzzle LOEWE bag. So cute. And then we've got some SLGs, lime green color, the mini hammock, this little charm, some of the straps, beautiful candles and home scents. So just a little tip, always ask the SA to open up the drawers because you never know what you'll find. We found another color of the mini camera bag, which was really nice as well. And here is just an overview of what they had on the back wall and also some of their gorgeous shoes. I love the anagram slides in the various colors. Those ones with the ribbon, not so much. But I actually really did like the sunglasses as well. And of course, the ready-to-wear I am a huge fan of, especially their bomber jackets. I just adore. So yes, we definitely did some damage and I'll be doing an unboxing very soon. All right, so now we're having dinner at her bar. So what we like to do is order a dish each. So we ordered the steak, also the pasta, some fish, and we have another dish coming. Also, of course, having our cocktails. So love these dinner and drinks with my girls. All right, guys, I completely forgot to vlog dessert. We went to a Thai place for dessert. So now we're just heading out and we're going to catch our Uber back. But we had such a fun day. You can see the girls are all behind me. See? Yeah, the girls are behind me. So before I end this vlog, I want to show you a quick reveal of what Shireen got because she was so excited, and she also did a what fits inside for you guys.
How much this can hold. Put your wallet. Well, unless you've got a really big wallet. Hand sanitizer, lip balm, moisturizer, hair tie, sunnies in your hat, or you could use this for your phone. How good is this? It just fits it all. I need two hands to zip it up.
So happy Shireen loves her new bag so much. Again, this is a quick mod shot for reference of what it looks like on her. I will share what else she got and what else we got very soon. I hope you enjoyed coming along with my besties and I. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in my next video, and I will show you all the goodies that I got. Bye guys!